This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Christchurch is getting heavy rain and very high winds. And winds are going to be very strong on Thursday, June 20th, 2013. Christchurch, New Zealand's getting the very high winds and heavy rain. And a lot of wind-driven rain to hit New Zealand. And rain's going to start on Wednesday, June 19th. Then it's going to be the worst of it's going to be on Thursday, June 20th, 2013. People in Christchurch, New Zealand, be prepared. Have your rubber boots ready, heavy raincoats ready, heavy rain suits ready, because a lot of rain's going to hit Christchurch, New Zealand. The temperature's going to drop all the way down to freezing on Friday, June 21st, 2013. The temperature's going to get real cold. Up in the mountains, it's going to be a lot of snow up in the mountains, and the low pressure system's going to deepen and intensify rapidly down New Zealand. It's going to bring a lot of rain and wind on Thursday, June 20th, 2013. Christchurch, New Zealand's getting heavy rain. Sewers will back up the streets. It's going to have some flooding in New Zealand. Don't walk through the puddles. Stay away from the puddles. When you're driving your car to the flood, car will get stalled. Don't drive your car to the flood, because a lot of heavy rain and very strong winds. Don't open up your umbrella, or your umbrella can get broken in Christchurch, New Zealand, because a lot of rain and wind is going to hit Christchurch, New Zealand on Thursday, June 20th, 2013. Rain's going up to 50 plus millimeters of rain, and snow's going up to 50 plus centimeters of snow up in the mountains in New Zealand. When you go driving on a highway and go up the mountains in New Zealand, wear your winter boots, winter jackets, hats, and gloves, and scarves, and ski pants to keep you warm. Wear your warm clothing when you go up in the mountains. Have your winter gear ready when you go up the mountains in New Zealand, because down in Christchurch, New Zealand, heavy rain's going to change over to snow on Friday, June 21st, 2013. Be very careful driving the car to the snow in Christchurch, New Zealand. Don't get into car accidents, because a lot of snow is going to hit mountains in New Zealand. It's going to bring up to 50 plus centimeters of snow up in the mountains in New Zealand. And Christchurch is going to bring heavy rain and very strong winds. And power might go out. Have your devices and cell phones charged. Best of luck to you. People in Christchurch, New Zealand, be prepared for heavy rain and very strong winds on Thursday, June 20th, 2013. Good luck and stay safe. And don't get caught in the heavy rain and very strong winds. Take care.